We've invested a fortune in our half of this house. This part here is literally, not virtually, literally a death trap.
This is a really weird day for us because it is one of those days where you have to face up to reality. We've been looking at the rot, we've been looking at the Muskoka room, and for me, genuinely, I've kind of put it out here because I can't face up to it. But actually, today is the day where we have to move this thing forward.
This sounds dramatic, but if we don't do this, the house could literally fall down because everything is kind of hinged around about here.
I think we have to think about the future legacy we're leaving behind. This is a fantastic, fantastic home in a fantastic part of the world. We have to get it right. If we don't have a Muskoka room and we don't have a deck, then we don't have exposure to this beautiful outside. And we are going to get it right. So no more crying about what was. We need to rip out the rot and make way for a new, spectacular Muskoka room and brilliant deck above.
Yeah, good to see you. All right.
Sure, you lead the way.
Having a beautiful deck is really important to me and Colin, and that is one massive deck. Do you know, it's massive. It goes all the way around the building, and it's all coming down.
Time for new.
It's hammer time.
Air hug it on the way down.
I love that.
Ever since we moved here, I've been really nervous about leaning on this.
Give it a good lean, would you?
But just don't over-lean.
Could you hold on to me, please? Can we do a daisy
No, I
chain?
don't want to be dragged to
Can we
my
do a
death.
daisy chain? Can we? Can we do at least that?
Just grab him by his underwear.
No, it might come off.
If you go too far, you're getting a wedgie.
Who says that? Hey! Oh, a good job, well done.
We really didn't count on replacing the deck in Muskoka room, but we're glad the rot was discovered before someone got hurt.
Well, our wallet's certainly feeling the pain, but this needs to happen, so we might as well have some fun.
That is just awesome, isn't it?
That's so exciting to watch, Don.
You just gotta get it done.
Get her done.
Colin helped with knocking down the ceiling. He seemed to enjoy all the seeds and stuff from the squirrels over the years, caving in on their Muskoka room.
The bottom of the deck is the plastic corrugated roof of the Muskoka room, and as you can see, perfect proof of what a crap build it was. We knew we'd have a lot to do, but neither of us ever suspected that we'd have a nightmare along the way to turn it into our dream home.